All right, welcome back to my channel. This is Shamisteve Global TV. On this channel, we teach how to make money online. We bring opportunities that will bring development to the youth of Nigeria and the world at large. We set for valuable skills that one can learn to earn money. In today's tutorial, guys, I am about to share a very good information with you. This is a program that have been brought to Nigerian youth by the federal government. It is called the Nigerian Jubilee Fellowship Program, designed for the youth of Nigeria. So if you are of the age of 18 to 30, you are eligible for this program. You must be a degree holder, a graduate, and a H or an HND holder. All right. So the program aims to eradicate poverty. Is one of the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President, which is about eradicating poverty in Nigeria, especially amongst the youth. And it's going to be an internship whereby you'll be connected to organizations for a period of 12 months. So within the working period of 12 months, you'll be collecting 150,000 naira. It's going to be an internship, or it's going to be a paid one. So in today's tutorial, the main thing I'm going to be doing is I'll walk you through the process of registering for the program. All right. So come with me. Let's proceed to see how we can register for the program. So the first thing to do is you click on the first link in the description of this video, and also in the comment section. It will take you to this interface whereby you have the consent and data protection notice. This is the first stage of it. So you make sure that you go through this content, you read through, after which you have read through, you click on proceed with application. Because I don't want this video to be long, I'm not going to be reading through, but it's here displaying on your screen. And of course, when you open it, this is the first page that will pop up. So we have 6 stages. The first is data protection, second personal information, third education verification, the fourth is NYSC verification, the fifth is profile setup, and then the completion, which is review and completion. All right, so let's go and see how we're gonna work it out. So the second step, after you've finished reading through this, you click on proceed, and it will take you to this interface. So this is the second page, which talks about your personal information. So you have your name, your middle name, your last name, which is your surname, your BVN, your date of birth, your day, month, year, email address. You have your phone number, highest qualification, day of graduation, month, year, local government, and you also have state of origin. So you make sure that you fill this information appropriately. That's my first name. I'm using my personal details because I'm a graduate to fill this form. My middle name and last name. So the next thing, you fill in your national identification number, your date of birth, your email address, phone number, highest qualification, which is degree, and then you have year of graduation. So on the year of graduation, you must make sure that the date, the month, and the year tallies with what is on your certificate. All right. Yes, it must tally on what is on your certificate. So you look at your certificate or your statement of result. Make sure that all of these information are in line with your statement of result or your certificate. Okay. So after that, you select state of origin, Finish that, you select your state of origin, your local government of origin. After your local government of origin, you select the state of residence where you are living currently. So for me, my state of origin is Benue. My local government of origin is Buruku. All right. Look at it over there. I've selected. State of origin of resident. I am living in FCT, Federal Capital Territory. So I'll select FCT. So if your state of resident and state of origin is the same place, you select it. Local government Buhari. So you make sure that you confirm this information that they are correct. All right. So after which you click on the next button. So it will take you to this interface where you'll be able to enter your academic qualification. I have bachelor's degree. So when you're about to choose your course, if you discover that your course is not on the listed courses here, you click on others, right? But make sure you go through it to verify whether it's there or not. So you click on others so that you can impute it manually. All right. So look at me imputing, clicking on others because my course of study is not on this list. I actually read statistics and computer science education. Click my University of Agriculture, Makudi, year of graduation. So you click and then you upload your certificate. All right. For people whom their school have gone through transition, maybe from one name to another, make sure that you search for all the names because you might not see your current name of the current name of your school when you search it. So make sure you search all the names. Like my school have gone through have gone through several transitions from University of Agriculture to Federal University of Agriculture. Now just as I want Taka University. So you make sure that you look into that. So this next step is for your NYSC. So you gotta impute your NYSC number over there, state you served, and then finally you're going to also upload your NYSC certificate. The next is profile setup, where you'll be prompted to enter your password, confirm your password, and then click submit. So I've entered all of that. It has submitted successfully. I am here now to verify my email. So you click on that verify email. Very, very important, right? Click on that verify email. They will send a mail to your email, the one you provided earlier while you were filling this form from the second phase. So look at, I've sent a mail. So I'm going to click on this link. I'll confirm it. And then it will take me back to my dashboard where I can be able to continue with my registration. Okay. So let's go together. It's loading. Let's give it a while. Let's give it a while. Say verify email. Email verified. My email has been verified successfully. I'm gonna click on continue application. So now I am to verify my national identification number, my name. So you just click on that verify to verify, and that's all. Say congratulations on your NJFP application. You will be notified on your next step. All right. So the next step is CBT assessment. After CBT assessment, introduction video. After introduction video, it will be under review, and after review, there will be a completion. It will be completed. So we are going to be waiting for their mail. I'm sure they were going to send a mail after they have confirmed what we've done so far. So after that, we can be able to continue with the rest of the process. But until then, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, if you have watched this video to this end, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, share this video, like, comment, so that other people can also have the value you are getting. The more you share, the more people get to get value from this channel, and you stay updated so that whenever any update of this kind comes up, I'll be able to update you. Also for this application, henceforth I'll be bringing update concerning it. Until I see you in my next video, don't forget that Steven does love you. Bye from here, guys.